How to change Reddit password step by step. To change your Reddit's password, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Reddit application on your device and also make sure to log into your account. Once you've done this, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap on the settings option. From here, you simply have to go to the account settings at the top. Now, tap on this change password option. Go ahead and tap continue to update your email address. If you have email address, now you simply have to check your email or by opening your device's email application. Once you find it, you simply have to go ahead and open that exact password reset link. Go ahead and tap reset password. From here, you now simply have to type in your new password and then type it once again to reconfirm it. Once you do this, go ahead and tap continue and your password will be changed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.